Welcome to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina and today I show you how to make those long trousers using my new sewing pattern called Zoe. Every video tutorial in Lingerie Collection will start with a swatch test. In those videos, I'll test many different stitch types and needles. In this video, I'll test straight and zigzag stitch on this rib knit fabric. I highly recommend testing your sewing machine for the best option for your fabric before starting this project. As the results, I think both stitch types could actually work. Straight stitch snapped only when I pulled really hard. Meanwhile, the zigzag stitch seems to allow the fabric to stretch nicely too. So for this tutorial, I will use a zigzag stitch. To start, take 2 front panels. Pin front rice together, then stitch and overlock the seam. Then take 2 back panels, pin back rice together, then stitch and overlock the seam. Pin front and back panels together on the sides and inseam, then stitch and overlock the seams.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say.
Fold waist edge by 1 cm, then again by 4 cm and secure with pins. Then top stitch the waistband and leave a small gap to insert the elastic. slightly stretched elastic around your waist and add 2 centimeters. My elastic will measure 69 centimeters and it's 35 millimeters wide. Use a safety pin to insert the elastic to your waistband. Overlap the elastic ends and make a secure stitch. Next, top stitch the waistband opening. To finish up the trousers hems, fold them by 4 centimeters and pin them down. Then when you sew, you want to run the zigzag stitch right on the edge, just to catch the fabric like so. And that's it, your own perfect pair of lounge trousers using Zoe pattern. Thanks for watching.